In the previous videos, we have talked about different senses in the visually. In this final video, we will talk about how these different senses can be combined. In real life, our experiences are mostly the combination of different kinds of senses. So information from one sense can influence how we perceive another sense. So this is a picture of a loud concert. You may not be able to hear what your friend is trying to convey, but you may utilize your vision to engage in lip reading. This is the super additive effect of a multisensory integration. People may mistakenly think that multimodal perception may be better, but here is a counterexample. This is the principle of inverse effectiveness. So in this video, it demonstrates that sometimes unimodal stimulus is better, and creating different multimodal senses may cause trouble, known as the McGirt effect. Now that we have learned different senses, you might wonder how can we apply research in this area into real life. Let me show you some research. So this is a research on visual illusion, known as the Delp Illusion. Researchers have found that presenting food in a smaller bowl creates the illusion of a larger portion size. So the implication may be to help people lose weight or increase people's purchasing intention. Here is another study conducted on the perception of food. So they found that plate color can influence the perception of flavor intensity, but the shape of the plate didn't play a role. So the implication is that changing the color of the plate could be used to enhance the perception of flavor intensity, and it could be a strategy designed to reduce the amount of sugar intake or salt intake to promote healthy eating. Thank you for learning sensation and perception with me. I hope you enjoyed these videos.